Hello, I'm David Backholer and welcome to Exploring Oregon. Today we'll be touring this property in northeast Portland that I was able to secure for my buyer clients at a great price. So stay tuned as we take a closer look. So the home we'll be touring today is located in the Wilshire neighborhood in northeast Portland. Now, I recently put out a video on the Beaumont Wilshire neighborhood and I gave some of my reasons why this is one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of Portland. It's located just 3 blocks from Wilshire Park and a few blocks from Fremont Street, where you have access to several cafes, restaurants and cute stores. Now, I actually represented the buyer on their purchase of this home, and we closed just last week, and they've kindly given me permission to share a walkthrough of the property. The home itself is 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and is 2,288 square feet. Now, the original list price was $549,950, and we were able to negotiate the sellers down fairly significantly. I was able to secure this home for my clients for just $503,250. Now, the home does have some issues and it's a fixer in places. The attic space is dated and in need of a refresh. The landscaping needs to be cleaned up and there are some issues with the roof. But overall, once this house is fully fixed up, updated and fully renovated, I believe this home could comfortably sell in the mid to high $700,000s. So please join me as we take a closer look. enjoyed touring this home, and as I said earlier in the video, the house is in need of some renovations, but in today's market there are opportunities like this available. Now please do reach out if you're interested in finding a home or a project like this. I am a licensed realtor in the states of Oregon and Washington. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Until next time, thanks for watching.